Good evening everybody, and today I am going to tell you the proofs of these theorems, and these theorems based on the order of an element. And I have told you, if A belongs to G, A is any element of the group G, and n is the least positive integer, such that if n is equal to E, then n is the order of A. Already I have told you, A is an element of G and G is a group, and n is the least positive integer for which n is equal to E, then n is the order of A. Okay, this one already I have told you. Now see here, the last one from the bottom I am going. Okay, so for the group G, if A, B and AB, there are three elements. A is an element, B is an element, and A into B is an element, and their order is 2. It is given that its order is 2. What are A and B are the elements of the group G. Then you have to prove G is abelian. G is abelian means you have to prove it satisfies the commutative axiom. It satisfies the commutative axiom. That means A into B is equal to B into A. Okay. See here. Given A, B and AB are of order 2. So therefore, A square will be equal to E. At the n is equal to E. Here n is 2. And B square equal to E. And AB whole square equal to E. Okay. Now see here. Now AB whole square can be written as AB into AB. Clear? So, and it is equal to E. So, tell me how to do this one. And E can be written as, okay, another easy way I am going to tell you. Very easy method. E, and this is equal to AB into AB, and E can be written as E into E. Okay, so in place of first E I am writing A square. In the second E I am writing B square. I can write like this. Is not it? So see here how interesting it is. A, B, A into B. I am applying the associative. Here A into A, B into B. So on the right hand side also you want to apply the associative A and B into B. So by left cancellation you can cancel out A, by right cancellation you can cancel out B. So remain BA is equal to AB. It implies G is abelian. Is not it? Very interesting. Simply AB square is equal to E, and in place of E I can write E into E. In the first E, in place of first E I am writing A square. In place of second E I am writing B square. I am written. So hence we have proved that G is abelian. Okay. So let us see. This one. If the order of every element A other than identity element of the group G be 2, then you have to prove G is abelian. Okay, so proof. See here how interesting the proof is. Given order of A unequal to E is 2. So therefore A square equal to E. That means A into A is equal to E. And already you know, if A into B is equal to identity element, then A is the inverse of B and B is the inverse of A. Is that clear to you? So here A into A is equal to E. That means A is the inverse of A. A is the inverse of A. That means A is equal to A inverse. That means what is A? Any element of the group G. That means every element of the group G is its own inverse. Implies every element of the group G is its own inverse. Clear? And I have already proved that if every element of a group G is its own inverse, then G is abelian. So it implies G is abelian. Already I have done the proof that if every element of a group G is its own inverse, then G is abelian. So that one I am applying directly. Okay. So see here. The first one. The proof of this one, the second, that if every element of a group G is its own inverse, then G is abelian, then please check my previous videos. Okay. Otherwise, I will give the link in the description. Okay. So see here, the order of any power of one element cannot exceed the order of that element. That means, let A belongs to G be any element. And A to the power K we have to prove the order of any power of an element cannot exceed the order of that element. That means we have to prove the order of A to the power K to prove order of A to the power K cannot exceed, that means less or equal to order of A. K is a positive integer. Okay. So to prove order of A to the power K is less than order of A, we have to prove, because the order of any power of an element is less than order of A. Okay. So let simply I am writing symbolically order of A is equal to M and order of A to the power K is equal to M, and you have to prove N is less than equal to M. Okay. So therefore, if order of A is equal to M, that means A to the power M is equal to E, and here A to the power K to the power N is equal to E. Is that clear to you? Now, how to do this one? Who can tell me? Now, A to the power K to the power N is equal to E. Okay, again. A to the power K to the power M is equal to A to the power M to the power K. Here, A to the power M to the power K, and A to the power M is equal to E. E to the power K is equal to E. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. And here, M and N. A to the power K to the power N is equal to E, A to the power K to the power M is equal to E. But N is the least positive integer. And see here, A to the power K to the power N is the least positive integer. Here, N is the least positive integer. N is the least positive integer such that A to the power K to the power N is equal to E. A to the power K to the power N is the smallest positive integer. Here, A to the power K to the power N also equal to E. That means M cannot be less than N, because N is the least positive integer. N is the least positive integer. From equation 1, N is the least positive integer for which A to the power K to the power N is equal to E. Clear? And in 2 we have A to the power K to the power M is equal to E. Here also A to the power K to the power N, here also A to the power K to the power N is equal to, both are equal to E, but N is the least smallest positive integer and M cannot be less than N. So M is greater than or equal to N. Or we have written correctly or not? N is less equal to M. Okay, so same thing, M is greater equal to N. That means, what is N? Order of A to the power K is less equal to order of A. It cannot exceed order of A. Okay, So this is your proof. So I hope you have understood these theorems, and if there will be any doubt, if there will be any confusion, then please write it in the comment box. And if there is no doubt, then please press the like button. Okay, so thank you for watching my class. Goodbye.